If you want to block someone on Google Photos to prevent them from sharing photos with you or accessing your shared albums, follow these steps. Step 1. Open Google Photos. Launch the Google Photos app on your device or go to the Google Photos website on your computer. Step 2. Access shared albums. Navigate to the Sharing tab section where you can see all the shared albums and conversations. Step 3. Find the person. Locate the person you want to block in the list of shared albums or conversations. Click on their name or the album they are associated with. Step 4. Block the user. Once you are in the conversation or album, look for the option to block or remove the user. This may be represented by an icon or a menu option. Confirm your choice to block them. Step 5. Review your settings. After blocking, check your sharing settings to ensure that the person is no longer able to see your photos or albums. You may also want to adjust any other privacy settings as needed. By following these steps, you can effectively block someone on Google Photos and manage your sharing preferences.